going on, y'all? Djnmedia in the spot today. Taking some pictures from my mans in the C63. I heard it. Got the C63 outside today. Got the Canon. Ben, tell me what's going on.
Yo, how we doing?
Yes, sir, Mr. 63 himself, man. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get back to it. Walking to the next spot right now, y'all. Beastie. All right, y'all, so we got the exhaust camera set up in the back. Of course, you can't see. I attached it to the trunk. But I will be adding some nice sounds from this car, some nice cruising noises, nothing too crazy. Just a nice little cruise. We're gonna go up to the beach right now. See what we can do over there. It's the interior, got the carbon. Y'all see it, man. Paddle shifters, nice on the screen. 4 doors for more. I told y'all, man, we don't do 4 doors for no reason. We be having people's moms back here.
Yo, come on, man, stop playing, bro.
We be having people's moms back here.
Come on, of course.
They just don't know. We keep it on the low. But yeah, I'm with my guy Brandon today, man.
How we doing?
He was Mr. 335, now he's Mr. C63.
Yeah, 19, what is it? I had 17 T's.
Okay.
17 T, 335, completely built.
Yes. That boy shit was fast. Y'all ain't even get to see it. I'll throw a clip in so you guys can really get to see like how that 335 was moving. It's just nice. That was Pops?
Yeah.
Yo! Right. This though, 63, I mess with this one. This is definitely his vibe. It's nice and chill, make the right noises, comes fast from factory. It's clean.
Yeah, but yo, the only problem I had with the 335 was
What's
like,
that?
burnt a shit ton of oil. Like when you're doing like that, like,
Oh yeah.
things were just going, you know. You got, injectors, injectors you gotta replace, you got like, and those cars are just super high maintenance, like, you spend more time underneath them than you are in them, it's like,
Oh dear.
crazy.
Oh dear.
So, it's definitely good to have something I can just hop in and just
go.
around.
Yeah. That's the thing, y'all. Y'all gotta get reliable cars. Don't get no shit that you gotta constantly be under. I mean, I'm saying it like I don't be underneath my car 24/7, but I gotta get some shit.
It's good to be underneath your car.
No lie.
When you want to be underneath your car.
Yeah.
But
it's different when you want to be underneath there. When you gotta be underneath there, like,
it's a little different.
It's way different, bro.
Definitely different.
Just don't buy headaches, yo. That's pretty much what we're saying. Don't get into headaches.
Yeah, man.
We handing out sauce right now.
And you close the windows up and like you have no idea like what's going on back there.
Nah.
It's like you crane back there and then
Yeah, you never know. You never know. Until you open up the window, that's when it goes bang, boom. Have a bun. I think it's a gun. Boop, boop, boop.
yo, that's the next thing, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do like too much, bro. Get bigger turbos, which is what I wanted to do from the jump. So I was just like, all right, I'm not gonna rebuild the turbos. That shit makes no sense.
Nah.
Just go with the bigger turbos and install them. Yo,
Call
that
it a
install took like 7 days, bro.
He got it done though.
Yeah, that shit was.
He got it done. Like I said, that shit was moving. Yeah.
You weren't expecting that. Yo, every part of that car, bro, I touched, bro. That shit's crazy.
Yep.
Pause.
Yep, just like your girlfriend. You heard him, guys. He said every part of the car in my touch. Your girl finna get touched like that too, you know? See, bro, I'm adding humor in the videos, bro. You got to. You gotta be yourself. You can't be like these fucking robots. Yeah, guys. So today we're gonna be doing we're gonna be photoing a C63. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go do this. Put that cinematic music and start doing the photos and shit.
Yeah, nah, you gotta have some flavor, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Flavor Flav.
Yeah.
Flavor Flav, bro.
We definitely got a lot of flavor, man. Especially with these cars. 63 is definitely the nicest one on the channel so far, bro. For real. My car don't match up.
And like you don't see these a lot. I feel like you don't.
Nah,
see
you
a lot
don't.
of them.
You don't. You ever
Like,
seen a
they're
507?
Yo,
Even when you see the 507, it's like, yo.
it's like, yeah, bro. There's like, you know, there's some curve appeal. Like, you know, that's not a C300.
Nah, that's why Buddy was looking. Do with the SL.
It's
Those,
rough.
those AMG GTs. That's what it's called, GT.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why he was looking.
It's rough though because sometimes it's hard to tell off the bat if it's a 300 or if it's
You think so?
I think so. Yeah, I think that like, well, to the normal eye.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, true. To the normal eye, it makes sense. You're right.
The only thing that kind of gives anything is
The badges?
Fenders, the front
oh, okay, fenders. Yeah, because the rear fenders on the C300 are the same almost, right? Almost. They wide. They're not wide, but they're a little wide.
I'd be lying if I told you I knew, but
the front is definitely different.
The car's longer than a regular C300 by I think like 3 inches.
Really?
I believe so. I didn't know that.
Oh shit.
I believe so.
That's why it looks so beefy though.
Yo, you gotta edit this.
Like...
You gotta edit that out, bro.
What?
That's not true.
What? No, you good, bro. You good. Man, I might have a Mercedes guy.
But I believe the track width though is the same as a C300.
I fuck with it.
Which is
You could
rough,
tell
though.
it's like a E90 M3 compared to E35 or something.
Yeah.
You could tell like the fenders are different.
Yeah, it's. See, that's the one thing that I like about the M's. The M's, they have
Distinct.
the
things.
rear fenders, bro.
Yeah.
And like that's really what's important.
Yeah, that's true.
That's really what's
The
important.
fenders always sell it. Fenders always let you know.
Because that's like it also limits you tire wise to what you could put in the back of the car. I mean,
Oh,
you can only go
yeah.
up to 285, and that's really 285 you're rubbing.
Yeah.
285 you're rubbing. On the 335 I was running
I was about to ask.
275.
Damn, it was right there.
So
I was
it's
about to ask
right
the
there
size
with
of your
that.
fender.
Install like Black Series fenders, which is what some guys do. They'll install Black Series fenders in the back.
Those are wide.
Yeah.
Those are very wide.
And it's expensive to get your hands on like
Those are
legit
wide.
ones.
Those are very wide.
Or roll your fenders and just stuff. Like that's it. That's all that's all there is to do with these.
Are you gonna do a duck bill?
Oh, there was a duck bill back there. That's why there's like a little bit of residue. I'm like struggling to take that off, but
Like what spoiler do you want to put?
they have a I think the 5.
Damn. Yeah, I don't even know. I just picked up. And it handles, bro. It handles like an M, bro. My hat came up. Yo. This car picks up. This shit picks up quick. Wow, man. I don't even know. It picks up quick. I like that. That's nice. It feels nice to be in a fast car. It feels nice to be in a fast car. Who got it, man? I think Mercedes makes good like
I'm still
interiors
gonna
and
see
shit.
it, but my heart's over there.
Damn. You got Beamer. I got Beamer too. I grew up on Beamers. Now it's Mercedes. Now I'm loving the Mercedes and shit. I like Beamers though. I always love Beamers. Like Beamers will never, ever go away. Oh, y'all heard that downshift. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna add all the clips, all the exhaust stuff that I have right now. I'm gonna be adding it in with this drive.
That's crazy. That's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be lit. Nice views from the 6, man. We got the drink on right now. It's free today. Wow, bro. I never. Wow. That's power. This was like the 55. And this is NA.
Yeah, this is NA, bro.
This is NA, bro. This is crazy.
What do you know with the 55?
My brother.
Your brother has a 55?
Yeah, he got a W2. I think it's W212, right? Or 11?
See, my pops has, alright, so my pops has the SO55. It has the same motor, bro.
Yeah. The
Bro,
supercharged.
that shit pulls like a truck.
Yeah, that motherfucker pulls.
That shit is crazy.
That shit pulls, bro. That supercharger talks. And it's stock right now.
It's stock?
Yeah.
Yo, does he plan on tuning it at all?
He wants to do headers.
Do it. Well, my pops is he's getting an X-Plate in a couple weeks. After that, all of a sudden you could either get some exhaust clips of that if you want.
Please. What muffler is he running?
He's stock right now.
Okay, so he has an SL muffler on there.
Yeah.
I think my brother has a CLS right now. Like the older CLS, the CLS 63, I think.
Yeah.
He was thinking about doing yours, the C63 one. Oh, this one you gotta pay too. Damn, they didn't pay for everything. I think.
Yo, we are not paying, bro. We are not paying, bro.
We're not paying for shit. We're not paying these people.
Paying.
When I come here, the beach free. Why is it? I'm not paying. We're not paying for nothing. Then we paying to go see this? Nah, I'm straight. I'm not going to pay that. Fuck out of here. Maybe if your mom's out here, I mean.
Shit.
But not that one. I used to have a blah by. I think I told you. I don't know.
I used to have a Rex?
Yeah. No, it wasn't a Rex though. It was an Outback 2.5. So it's the NA motor.
Well, do you actually get that shit?
I wish I had the booster. Genties felt nice. But I dropped it on Raceland coilovers. Probably the best coilovers I ever had. I'm not gonna lie. I did the unequal link headers. Exhaust, yeah. Did some shit like that. Nah, he looked at us and came and keep his lane. All right, that's bad. You can't do that, sir. You can't look at people and not be able to keep your lane.
No, it's always a dope run.
Yeah, it's nice. Keeps you like your head clear. Damn, that's suspension. Oh yeah, okay. Bro, I be squinting my eyes every time I go down.
With the 335, I used to go, I swear to God, like 10 miles an hour over that shit.
You had to?
Yeah, bro, because my shit was, the 335 was so low.
Yeah.
You couldn't even put your foot in it.